Hey guys, if you're watching this, it means you probably bought one of our pencils. We certainly appreciate that. So one of the major points to make is that you load your lead from the back. All right, so don't try to push new leads up through. That can mess up the little rubber grommet in there. So when you need new lead, please make sure you're always loading it from the back. So again, you're just taking off the eraser and the removable cap. So one of the key points is to make sure that you're holding it vertical. Let gravity help you get the lead started. And I always shake it to make sure I can hear that there's some loose lead in there. And within about 10 clicks, you should see a lead. If you do it 20, 30 clicks and it's not coming out, please reach out to us and we can try to help you troubleshoot it. But first of all, just always make sure you actually have some lead rattling around in there. And then the other key point is don't put more than 3 leads in here. While you can, we certainly don't recommend it because you'll jam inside the pencil. If you need to remove the tip for maintenance issues, we will be coming out with another video on how to do that. But for now, here in the first few months of ownership, we highly recommend you reach out to us if you have any issues. Don't try to take the pencil apart, although you can. On these brass ones, we have an O-ring. But if you're not careful, see, I've unscrewed that. When you go to screw it back in, you'll potentially be slicing your fingers open because it really wasn't meant to be taken apart very often. So just a little word to the wise there.